Can low refrigerant damage my AC? Yes, low refrigerant absolutely can damage your air conditioner because the system needs the correct amount of refrigerant to cool properly and to protect its internal parts. And running it low for too long can lead to expensive breakdowns. Think of refrigerant like the blood running through your air conditioner. It carries heat from inside your home and dumps it outside so cool air can blow back in. When the level gets too low, the system has to work way harder to do the same job, kind of like trying to run a race with only half the air in your lungs. Here is something most people do not know. Low refrigerant does not just mean weaker cooling. It actually causes the pressure inside the system to drop, and that drop in pressure can cause ice to build up right on the coil inside the unit. That ice might sound harmless, but it can melt and cause water damage, and it also blocks proper airflow, which forces the compressor, which is basically the heart of the system, to strain itself. Over time, that strain can burn out the compressor completely, and replacing a compressor often costs almost as much as buying a whole new unit. Another thing people miss is that refrigerant is not something you use up like gas in a car, so if your levels are low, it almost always means there is a leak somewhere in the lines. So low refrigerant is really a warning sign of a bigger hidden problem, not something you just top off and forget about. One common mistake homeowners make is assuming refrigerant just naturally goes down over time like windshield washer fluid. But a properly sealed system should keep the same charge for years. So if it is low, get a technician to find and fix the leak instead of just adding more. Another big misconception is thinking that if the air is still blowing, everything must be fine, but weak or lukewarm air is often the very first sign of low refrigerant. So pay attention early rather than waiting until the system stops working completely. A lot of people also do not realize that running the unit while it is low on refrigerant for even a few days can freeze the coil and damage the compressor fast. So if you notice ice forming anywhere on the unit, turn it off right away and call for help instead of letting it keep running. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.